Spanning coast to coast, maintaining and expanding this nationwide infrastructure is more important than ever. With the right tools in hand, you can get the job done. Stanley has developed a battery-powered web grinder, the WG60. The cordless web grinder frees you from the burden of hydraulic hoses. The WG60 is powered by the readily available DeWalt FlexVolt battery platform that drives over 250 power tools, utilizing a heavy-duty brushless motor for long-term reliability that you can count on. The new Stanley cordless web grinder has ergonomic functionality built in to maximize user experience. The folding handle design enables balanced single-person carry, making it easy to move from job to job. A balanced aluminum frame provides lightweight strength and comfortable control, while handle height adjustment allows for a personalized operating position. The WG60 is designed for versatility across a wide range of rail types. The tool features dual safety systems to prevent unintentional startup, including an interlock trigger on the handle and a safety circuit that keeps the tool powered off when the handle is folded. With all-season weather protection, the Stanley cordless platform will keep you powered until the job is done. A tough tool built for tough jobs. The Stanley WG60.